To beat the competition in a margin-intensive industry, electronic and high-tech companies must be first to market with new versions of ever-growing product portfolios. Supply chain disruptions, IP security, fluctuating customer demand must be seamlessly managed in a world where introducing rapid changes is the norm. In this demonstration, we'll learn how a fictional manufacturer called Skyrider leverages PTC's Windchill PLM software to bring a new video drone to market, one with a decided market advantage, an ability to stay airborne long enough to capture their customers' breathtaking shots. To quickly bring the new drone to market, Skyrider's product management team decided to reuse an existing design instead of building one from scratch and potentially missing their market opportunity. Using Windchill's design review, the engineering team updates the existing drone's circuit board and chassis, a change requiring electromechanical updates to accommodate the longer-lasting battery. The team searches for components by attributes like resistor capacity or power rating and checks their supply chain risk from third-party data providers. After confirming that the electrical and mechanical designs are compatible, the team can save an updated BOM with their new designs and send it out for review. With the new BOM, component and procurement engineers can review the design changes for the battery and 2 new PCBA components, then check their AML and AVL information. They can also confirm supplier inventory and that their parts meet the required RoHS and reach regulatory standards, as well as the company's sustainability goals. Component engineers can conduct a BOM grading analysis using Silicon Expert Windchill integration. And to facilitate component management, Windchill also integrates with Ascent. The BOM grading analysis also shows that Skyrider hasn't worked with one of the new parts suppliers, who the team can audit using Windchill's auditing capabilities before approving for use. With a new design and approved suppliers, one of Skyrider's configuration analysts sends out a change notice that includes all affected end items and plants. Without a well-prepared change request, Skyrider risks delays, additional costs, and uncertainty about what's being shipped to the field. Using redlining, change analysis, and BOM compare tools, the review team quickly analyzes the new and old designs. With Windchill Connected PLM, other users in the enterprise see a mashup of this data in a single visual display, helping them quickly understand the financial impact of their decisions without having to pore through multiple systems like ERP and MES. Showing relevant information, integrating data, and allowing suppliers and contract manufacturers into Windchill for specific needs is vital to accelerating production. With the product update moved to released, the team shares the design changes with procurement and manufacturing vendors as a technical data package, including technical product data, BOMs, redline changes, and CAD. After a quick round of manufacturing, Skyrider's new drones can fly out of production into customers' hands in a reliable way. The world is speeding up, and PTC's Windchill PLM software helps you stay ahead, launch your production to new heights, and help your customers soar.